Want to use voice commands on your Hisense Android Smart TV to control it with voice? Then let me show you how to activate and set up voice commands with built-in Google Assistant on Hisense Android TV and a quick tutorial on how to use it. To be able to use Google Assistant voice command on your Hisense TV, you'll need to have your Hisense TV remote paired via Bluetooth, or else pressing the mic won't do anything. And to pair your remote, you'll need to go to Settings. From there, go to Remotes and Accessories, click Add Accessory, and now you'll need to put your remote into pairing mode. If you have an older model, then to pair the remote, you'll need to press and hold the Settings or menu button that you see here until you see the LED light up. If you have a remote that's fairly recent, then to take it into pairing mode, you'll need to press and hold the back and the home button together until you see the LED. After that, your remote will pop up on the list, and you'll need to point your remote at your TV, press OK, and it will get paired. Now you should be able to use voice commands. Just press and hold the microphone button, and you may see the Google Assistant setup page. In case pressing the microphone button still seems to do nothing, then we'll need to go to Settings once again, and then scroll down to Device Preferences. Keep going down until you reach Google Assistant. Open it, and from here make sure that it's toggled on. As soon as you turn it on, you'll be prompted to set up Google Assistant. So, press Continue, then allow search across all your TV. This will unlock your Google Assistant's full potential. Then click Continue, and in this case, you can opt out of promotional emails if you want. And after that, your Hisense TV will show you a cool tutorial on how the Google Assistant works and its key features. So you can watch through the video if you want, or you can exit out by pressing the home screen. Now, if you don't know what your Google Assistant is capable of, then you can just ask Google Assistant. Hold down the microphone button and say, "What can you do?" And your Google Assistant will show you all the important features or tasks that you can perform using voice commands. So now you can get familiar. Also, you can do basic stuff like asking the weather, changing the volume, going back to home screen, opening an app, etc. Or you can also do some handy stuff like searching for a specific app or a movie, and your Google Assistant will show you where you can watch them. And that's about all.